Algebra 1, Lesson 7, the opposite of a number and simplifying more difficult notations. We'll be going to the practice, and we will be doing A, C, and D, starting with A. So problem A, we have the opposite of negative 3 minus negative 4. So just remember, two negatives can always combine to make a positive. So those two negatives just make this positive 3. Those two negatives make that positive 4. So what we have is 3 plus 4, which is 7. And that's the basic rule we're going to keep using here. Anytime you have two negatives touching through multiplication, be it parentheses or anything like that, they're just going to combine to make one positive. Now on to practice C. We have the opposite of positive 6, so that's going to become negative 6. Here we have two negatives again. Those cancel and make that positive 8. Plus 7 is going to stay the same. The two negatives and minus negative 3 will become positive 3. And then the very last one, plus negative 5, will stay the same. So from here we have negative 6 plus 8, which gives us positive 2. Positive 2 plus 7 gives us 9. 9 plus 3 gives us 12. And 12 plus negative 5 gives us 7. And the last one. The main difference on this one is we have one number where we have three negatives all lined up. So the first one is simple. Two negatives make a positive. So that's just positive 3. Now the next one, we have 1, 2, we have 3 negatives. So we can only cancel out two of them to make one positive, and then a positive and a negative makes a negative. So then we have plus 3 plus negative 4, because there's still one left over. Then we have plus negative negative 6. Those cancel, making a positive, so then it's just plus positive 6. 3 plus negative 4 gives us negative 1. Negative 1 plus 6 gives us 5.